In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Viagogo tickets are valid. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Viagogo website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account you used to place the order, since that's where your ticket details and purchase history will be stored. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Orders section and open the order for the event you're planning to attend. From there, carefully review the ticket details shown in the order. You want to confirm that everything matches the event you intended to buy tickets for. Check the event name, the date, the start time, the venue, and any seat or section information that's listed. This is an important step because even a small mismatch can cause problems later. Next, verify that you received the tickets through the correct delivery method. For example, your order may have been delivered as a PDF download or through an official mobile ticket transfer. The delivery format should make sense based on the event and what was listed in your order. If your tickets were transferred through an official ticketing platform like Ticketmaster or Access, go ahead and accept the transfer. After that, confirm that the tickets actually appear inside your account on that platform, not just in an email or message. You should also inspect the ticket itself. If there's a barcode or QR code, make sure it's clearly visible and doesn't look cut off, blurry, altered, or damaged. A code that can't be scanned properly may create issues at entry, so it's worth taking a moment to double check. Another smart step is to compare the information on your ticket with the event details listed on the organizer's official website. This helps confirm that the venue, date, and timing all line up correctly. If the event organizer provides an official ticket verification option, use that method to check your tickets. That's usually the most reliable way to confirm whether the ticket format and details are recognized by the event system. If you notice anything unusual, like missing information, incorrect event details, or tickets that simply don't look right, contact Viagogo support as soon as possible. It's better to raise concerns early rather than waiting until the day of the event. Finally, keep your confirmation email and order details saved until after the event is over. Those records can be helpful if you need support or need to reference your purchase later. That's how to check if your Viagogo tickets are valid.